Welcome guys, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to draw uh, cartoon hand. So this is a very interesting class. Here I'm start from the first, because this is most critical and most of my students is requesting this how to make first. So this one is a first. So another style is like this. So here is a four finger uh, cartoon illustrations, cartoon hand illustrations. So round this, round like this, round like this, and here is the main thing, and this is indicating a illustration, and you can easily download this uh, design for your tutorial purpose. I will give you a download link. Okay, this is Cartoonize Hand. So here is this one is a hand design in hand like this, and here is the most thing is like this, and you can learn from this style. Okay, so look at this sector is a three finger, and here is the thumb. So this is very important in this one. Okay, and there's a fist making fist. Okay, so this one, and this is working this one. So this is another hand gestures. There are lots of hand gestures like this one is a very interesting hand gestures like this. Okay, this is another hand gestures. This one is another first hand gestures. This is another hand gesture. You can easily this one hand gestures, and this one. Okay, so there are lots of hand gestures you can understand. The main thing is create a round like this, round, create a round. This is very important, practice like this, and C carve and S carve is also very important here. So it is a deal how you can make your cartoon hand. So this one is cartoon hand. So here is another cartoon hand. So I will definitely give you a um, download link, so you can practice more and more. So let's take another type of cartoon hands illustration. So in this type of illustrations, it's very important you should draw a box. So this very important, this box is very important. Inside the palm is thin, is square, and this tree line. Okay, this like this line, like this lines. Arms are connected at bottom of the square. So let's try to do this. This is the arms, this is the arms, sorry. just want to this is the arms, there's a pipe like thing, and now this is the box, and now this is the thumb, and this is the finger, as another, and you can see this is the thinner one, and this one the more thicker and round shape. Okay, now this is the box, and try to make like this. If you learning and drawing with me, try to follow me and practice so with me. I will definitely help you. This is a top hand. Okay, this is the top hand. This is a top of hand. This is top of hand. Fingers are just circles. Okay, this is a fingers are just circles. Fingernails are just circles. Not just circle like things. Okay, always remember these things as a different one, different style, and here I'm discussing all the style. So this video will be part wise. Okay, please subscribe this channel for more updates videos, and this is a pipe like things. Okay, and see this one as a very interesting as a round one and indicating something, and always do this is a round. Okay, this is round, and this shape this seven is actually shades. Okay, this thumb, and actually what I'm going to do here, just this is explaining this is the top. Okay, and this is actually bottom. This is actually bottom. C, and this one setting one for this thing. Okay, and only shows the one one joint section one joint sections. Okay, so this is not enough place, so I'm going to change this one, and this is round circle. Okay, and here there's a little bit of this thing I'm going to share with you. This is, and this is, you can make like this. Okay, you can like this, and this is a pipe like thing is the arm joined with the arm. Okay, so try like this, and this is when you are want to draw the top portions. This is top portions when you are going to draw the top portions as a pipe. Okay, so the finger out from this is actually okay, and this round and circle portions. So here is a little bit to draw the indicating of something, indicating towards something, the line like this, and so, and you can see this box should be like this. Okay, so I'm going to end up this session. If you like this video, please share and like, and till then stay tuned. Bye bye.